Am I too old to start an online business? Hi there, my name's Andrew Plimmer from andrewplimmer.com. I'm coming to you today from my home office here on the Sunshine Coast in Australia. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how to start an online business, please subscribe to this channel. Click the bell if you want to be notified for the latest videos. I'm an affiliate marketer. I'm very passionate about what I do and I love helping other people get started. But my question today that I'm going to answer for you is, am I too old to start an online business? And the answer is no, you're never too old to get started. In fact, if you're an older person, you've got all that experience under your belt, life's probably taught you so many things and you have so much to give back. It's all about giving back when it comes to internet marketing and starting an online business. It's all about providing value and helping others get started. And in this day and age when there's so much opportunity because of technology. Yes, I will admit, if you've had no experience with technology, then of course it will be a bit of a challenge, but it's like anything. It's like just making it a daily chore to learn and to get started. Now, it's so important that you head in the right direction. This is going to save you so much time. So I am going to say that it's probably worthwhile sort of following in somebody else's footsteps, and that might mean investing a little bit of money in a course or some sort of tuition on how to get started. But the answer is unequivocally no. You can, and you are never too old to get started online. So most people have a computer, and most people have, it doesn't matter what age you are, you have a computer, you have the internet, you have a phone, and really that's all that you need to get started apart from the know-how. So if you want to learn how to get started and how to start an online business, there's a link below, andrewplimmer.com. Click on there, go check it out. Yes, it's free to get started, but if you want to sort of follow through and invest in learning how to actually get started, starting with online, whether it be as an affiliate marketer, I think that's the easiest way to get started, because if you have to create your own course, I'm not big on selling physical products. I think logistically that's a tough gig because it's just to hold the product, you've got to pack the product, and I've been there, done that, and I just would never go back there again. Affiliate marketing and promoting something that you enjoy promoting in your niche is absolutely the way to go. Thousands and tens of thousands of people around the world are very, very successful and make a lot of money through affiliate marketing. But look, it doesn't have to be a lot of money, does it? A few $100s a month or a few $100s a week might just make a huge difference in your life. But I will say this, don't get started unless you intend to take action, okay? It's so important. So many people sort of invest in something or invest in an online course and then they say it doesn't work. But the fact of the matter is they haven't done what was required to sort of get started. So yes, there will be a little bit of a challenge to begin with, but if you join our community, there's just so much support. Like I said, it's free to take a look. Check it out below, and I'd love to see you on the other side, and I'd love to see people, older people like myself, so that on the other side, so that I can help them and assist them along their journey. I hope you're having an awesome day. If you like this video, please share and comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much for watching. Bye now.